Alright, well, I got the new blankie down, and I'm getting ready to do some heavy lifting. Painting some stuff, painting some more stuff, painting some more stuff, and there she is. There's the transmission, all painted and ready to go pretty much. Just gotta take the seals out, put new seals in, and go from there. So I thought you guys might like to go along for the ride. See me bust a nut here. Let's see if I can. Cool. Let's crank her up. God, it's gonna be heavy. Oh god, this is gonna be really heavy. This is gonna be really, really, really heavy. I don't want to do this. Alright, let's do it. Oh god. Oh, I want a nap now. And there she is. It's upside down right now. All the fluid's going all over the place on the inside. So I'm going to start taking some of these cap things off, and now this is the ball for the fork, for the shift fork. So I'm going to put some Teflon sealant on there, put it back in the hole, call it a day. I'm going to leave this tape on just because it's holding this shaft in. Freaking tired now. I'll take a nap. Yeah, a little bushy in there. Alright, well. This shaft I gotta take out. Fluid coming out of there. I don't care. Gotta take that end cap off there too. Alright, well, let's do it up. Take this thing apart here first. Gotta find the sweet spot. If I can find the sweet spot. Huh. Where is it? There it is. Oh, that's part of it. It's really windy outside there. Extremely windy. Alright, there she is. I'll clean this up, clean the threads up. And put some Teflon sealant on here. I got lacquer thinner all over this rag. And that my bear's hand is going on. Transmission definitely looks 20 times better than it did, and it took about 2 pounds of weight off of it. Yeah, it took about 2 pounds of weight off of it. It's a little bit lighter than it was. I mean, it's not terribly lighter, but it's a little bit lighter. Good old shift fork. Where is... There she is. Take this. Clean and clean and clean and clean and clean. I'm not too sure what kind of fluid to put in this transmission or differential. I'm going to have to do a little bit of research on that. I mean, I'm replacing the seals, so as far as it leaking, not going to be a problem. Nope. Not going to be a problem. Probably go with synthetic. I'm just not too sure what kind of synthetic or what weight I should use for the manual transmission. I know some of the newer Hondas have to use that special CVT transmission fluid that costs a ridiculous amount. I remember that when I was working at Napa. Let's see, there's that clean. Just gonna clean this hole up here. Spin the rag. Yep. Another junk came out of there. They say you're supposed to let this stuff cure for 7 days before putting more coats on it, but it's going to have a lot more than 7 days. Is it clean in there, guys? Kind of. Alright. Well, I'm going to put some Teflon around this thing. I'll show you guys what I use for Teflon. It's pretty cool stuff. Here it is. Got Mustang. Yes, we do. Hey, there it is. High temperature thread sealant, Permatex. Soldador de roscas de alta temperatura. Sure. This is good stuff. I use this on the studs that I put in the block. All the new studs. So I'm going to put it around the threads, thread it in, call it a day. Maybe do a few more things to this thing before I hit the hay. I got a long day ahead of me, so I'm not going to go too nuts on this right now. Alright, see you in a bit. I'm going to keep working on it.